Hey y'all, on today's episode of $10 Dinner Tuesdays, we're going to be making a $1 million ravioli casserole. To a bowl, we're going to add a block of softened cream cheese, about a cup of sour cream, and then about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You can use the shredded Parmesan cheese, but I find that I like the grated and how it mixes better. And then we're also going to add in some seasonings. We're going to put about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Add that to our bowl, as well as about a quarter to a half a teaspoon of salt. And then give this a good mix. I did it by hand, as you can see. It turned out fine, but I really feel like I could have got a more smooth consistency had I done it in a stand mixer. You need about 2 cups of shredded cheese. You can use mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you like or have on hand. So I grated up 1 block of cheddar cheese. I'm going to set that to the side and start assembling my casserole. It is just a half a cup of sauce down in the bottom of a baking dish. And then I have a 25-ounce bag of frozen ravioli. I'm going to layer 1/2 of that bag in the bottom of my casserole dish. Once I get the bottom covered, I'm going to put this cheese mixture that we made on top, about half of it. Spread it out as best as you can. And then once that is spread out, you want to top everything with about half of your shredded cheese, and then you will put some more sauce on and repeat the layering process. Once we have the final layer of shredded cheese on, you want to go ahead and sprinkle over some more Parmesan cheese. I didn't measure how much I did. I just eyeballed it, so put as much or as little as you like. Cover it in tin foil, and then we're going to bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I have the breakdown here at Walmart. It's $8.14 for everything minus the Parmesan cheese. If you get that at the Dollar Tree, add an additional $1.25, $1.30. I hope y'all enjoy, and let me know if you try this.